Okay, let's get this shit down. Should I open some windows? Maybe. Today I am flying to Byron, but first I have to shoot Shopo. So yeah, let's get to that. But yeah, I have to pack. Well, I just did finish packing actually. Here's my bag. She's done. So I'm shooting some stuff up there so you guys can come with me. Yeah, it'll be really fun. But yeah, first we've got to go to set. So let's go. I'm wearing literally the most basic thing today. Jumper, black pants, and Jordans. I gotta go here to where we're shooting. It's so beautiful.
It's an avocado!
It's an avocado!
Thanks!
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Oh, you're filming.
I missed you.
Actually, I'm gonna Hi. Are you?
Oh, this is your got. Karen.
Kiza?
Hi, dolls.
Hi, dolls.
What are you shooting today? Oh, don't worry. You can't hear anything over here. Try it.
Bloody paper.
Wait, what's your...
This is so cute.
Yeah, no,
If you're hovering between the
Oh, wait, did it... Oh, could have been better. Hello. This is my second look.
They're all staring at me.
what are you doing?
What is happening?
We're shooting.
What are we shooting?
Chapeau.
Chapeau.
Changed it. You literally got it straight in there. I love it.
Isn't it cute?
It's very cute. That's where we get changed. And that over there is where we do hair and makeup.
I can't see. Yep.
Am I holding it?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay.
I mean, now you are.
It's like so close to my face. Am I holding it?
Yes. Muffin, what are you doing tonight? Tell me.
Flying to Byron.
Ooh, so cute.
Makeup and hair goddesses today.
Fucking hell. What a goddess, darling.
What a goddess. Hello, you beautiful creature.
Very.
Floral for spring. Groundbreaking.
What's that up to? Yeah. How good? How good?
How good?
How good?
No, I had it.
We're wrapped. I got stung by something, or it must have been a bee or an ant. Now I'm in lots of pain. It's okay. We're fine. We're fine.
What are we doing?
Hi. We are at Sushi Rio and we're getting sushi before you go to Byron.
Yum. Airplane outfit.
I'm literally like sweating and my boobs are falling out.
Hey, we love a little boob moment. Who doesn't love a boob moment, right? Oh my god, I can't wait to eat.
I need to eat food now. I didn't have breakfast.
Ow.
Ow.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fun afternoon. Don't.
Vlogging now. How fun is this? She's a Byron girl now.
Oh, she's
living. She's living for this life.
That just looks professional.
This is the cutest little outdoor shower. It is so beautiful out here tonight. Oh, can you even see this? It's actually a really nice sunset. We got some salads and some fish and chips.
Interesting. And so what do people just, oh no, you're not gonna, is there?
This is our dinner. Fish and chips. Good morning. Look at my view. Hair makeup is coming in 10 minutes, so I'm going to jump in the shower. It's just at my house. Well, the house that I'm staying at. So all I have to do is roll on out of bed. Fun. Let's get this day started. Coffee is coming right now. This is what I need this morning. I can hear that my makeup artist just got here, so we have to hurry up. This is the one that I'm using, by the way. I've never tried this before, but I'm ready to try it. Feels really good. What a setup for hair and makeup.
Oh my gosh, so good. You really don't, like, you always get a good setup around here.
I love it.
Man, right? You're
Fresh. I found momos. I found them. They're right there. We're going to sit right now. I'm so excited to see the house. It's supposed to be like amazing. I've got my coffee. And all the snacks are in the back. So, and we went shopping for them last night, so I know exactly what's in there. And I will be eating every single piece that is in that bag. Anyway, I'll show you the house when we get there. Good morning! Morning. We're on to look for, we're gonna shoot down by the pool. This house is so fucking beautiful. I want to live in it forever. Yeah, what's the time? It's 11 o'clock and I'm on my 4th look. I have apparently 15 looks, so I better get moving, people. It's so bright outside as well. I can hardly look into the camera. This is insane. Wow. I really want to jump in there. The house. Look what we got. Oh my god. That is so cool. Wow. Does he like in the pool? Oh, well, he swims. My hair looks like brown in this plait. Are you vlogging? Yeah. Hi! 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 Holy shit. Just finished shooting. We're gonna go get some dinner from in town. I am so exhausted. It was like a freaking hurricane out there. But really good day. I love this team and I love Tara. Oh my god, so I woke up and look at the momos. They're right there. So today I'm shooting again at the same location. I don't know if I'll be able to film a lot, and it's at the same location, so it's not going to be as exciting. But I'll see if I can get some footage. I don't really know the client like as well. I think I've worked with them once before, but who knows? I'll try and I'll see if I can. But yeah. Otherwise tomorrow we have a whole day in Byron, which I will film before going home to Sydney. So yeah. Okay, so we're on set. I just ran up the stairs. I can't show you any of the pieces, but I'm shooting Lorna Jane. It's raining outside, but I'm at the same location as I was yesterday. It's super bright, but it's raining, so we're trying to get all the shots done. Lunch is here, so we're ready to eat. And yeah, so I'm shooting like super fast because of the rain, and we've got to like get it, you know? So I'm like not filming that much, plus you can't really see these pieces.
Cold, soggy side, but I'm actually like kind of okay about it.
This is what I need in my life. Life.
Hanging around from place to place.
Good morning. So it's 6:30 in the morning. Morning. Good morning. This is honestly the best thing to wake up to. Whoops. I'm just getting ready to go to get a coffee, and then we're gonna go for a Lighthouse walk. I'm wearing this cute little faithful dress. I can't really show you, but the sleeves are so cute, and I'm wearing one of their new bikinis as well. I hate flying. Oh. But it's like a beautiful, like it's like actually the most beautiful day, like pretty much no wind, so I'm feeling very confident this plane ride for today. This is actually my ongoing, like my life, my ongoing stress in my life is flying. Yeah, it's like the worst freaking thing ever because I fly a lot, obviously, for my job, and yeah, so every day that I have a flight I kind of just get really bad anxiety, so that's sick too. Anyway, so yeah, you guys can see what I do today. I'm flying back to Sydney, and then I'll probably wrap up the vlog. So I changed dresses into the black one, same dress but just black one, because I don't know, I was vibing it a little bit more, and I put my hair into this little situation.
Good morning, Chippy. Hello, my good boy. Hello.
Got our coffee.
Got our coffee and little gorgeous bungalow.
And we're gonna go get...
Currently 27 degrees outside.
Is it?
Outside 27. Ooh, yeah.
We're gonna go get acai bowls, apparently.
Top Shop.
It's called Top Shop.
And it is tops.
And it is tops. Look at this. Dad jokes.
I mean, dad jokes. Mum's in the car.
Mum's in the car.
With a coffee.
With a coffee. She's ready to go
Just
get
living our
acai
best
bowl.
Byron Bungalow bowl life. This is light.
The cacao nibs, macadamia butter. Let me live my life, please. Yes, Tar. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
It's windy.
I got the cutest anklet. Oh my god, you can probably see all my hairs. Don't look at it. But look at the anklet. Cute.
She got a new hat. I love it. Hi.
You are so cute. Hi.
This is watermelon.
When I was driving.
Watermelon and lime.
Some good old dad jokes.
Oh no.
This is the dad. She's back. This is Char. Hello.
Trying feel like I should get like a bit of like yumness there.
Just get closer. How is it?
Yo.
Talk us through every single sensory.
So like at first, you just get like the raspberry hit. Did you get that too?
And then I got a crunchy chia.
Oh yeah. Okay, I just need one more bite.
Tazzy, yes. Juicy greatness. Look, Mummy, I'm vlogging. It's you, it's me.
The music, and you're so like floating the whole thing. You're like,
Goodbye, Dior. How do I stop it?
oh, okay.
Do you want a fork each as well?
Nasi goreng,
Excuse my muffin.
Do you want me to grab some napkins?
fish tacos, chicken tacos. Living, girls. We're living. We're living. Living. Bye, girls.
Bye. Bye.
So I'm gonna sign the vlog off. I just got a poke bowl. It's kind of open. Shit. So I'm finally back in Sydney. I'm exhausted and I'm so excited to have a couple days off. Not really off because I'm doing a Pilates challenge, so I'm still working very hard, just in a different way. So yeah, I'm very burnt, as you can tell, super burnt. All my chest is burnt. But yeah, I'm ready to just eat some dinner and go to sleep. Literally, I'm gonna go straight to sleep. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. I had so much fun filming this, and I'm kind of like back into it, you know?